Good morning, cadets. Now I am talking about structure of heart and mechanism of heart. It's a very simple process how to deoxygenated blood convert into oxygenated blood with the help of heart. Now we are start doing a simple process. First of all, it's a structure of heart. Heart have different kind of parts. Like, first of all, heart have number one, two auricles and two ventricles. It's a half part of heart. This side is a right side, right auricle and right ventricle. Right auricle and right ventricle. And that part is the left side, left auricle, left ventricle. Left auricle and left ventricle. So two auricles, two ventricles. First of all, deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means that kind of blood they don't have oxygen. Deoxygenated blood comes with superior vena cava, that thick vein is superior vena cava, and inferior vena cava, means that is a heart. Upper part is a superior vena cava, lower part is a inferior vena cava. तो upper part से impure blood और lower part से impure blood, both part comes with the help of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Comes into the right auricle, number one part. It's a first part of mechanism of heart. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, through the superior and inferior vena cava, blood comes, deoxygenated blood comes into the right auricle. Number one process, right auricle. Then after, the deoxygenated blood from right auricle moves into the right ventricle with the help of or in between tricuspid valve. Between tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve is a valve. It's a one-way direction valve. Blood comes into right ventricle. So step number 2 is blood from right auricle to right ventricle. See, in between tricuspid valve. It's a deoxygenated blood. Number third process, deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to, with the help of pulmonary valve. It's a semilunar valve, pulmonary valve. With the help of pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve, it goes into the pulmonary artery. It's a pulmonary artery. It's have bifid or bifocal pulmonary artery. Left side and right side. Pulmonary artery goes into the pulmonary artery. Step number 3. What is the step number 3? Blood from right ventricle. Blood from right ventricle moves to lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. Then after, it's a deoxygenated blood. 3 step, it's a deoxygenated blood. Then after, fourth stage. Fourth stage means blood goes into the lungs. Goes into the lungs. So, blood comes from lungs. It's a oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means blood goes into the lungs. Then after, it's contact with the oxygen and it converts into oxygenated blood. Then after, it will come from pulmonary vein to left auricle. Blood comes from lungs to left auricle with the help of pulmonary vein. Upper side is a pulmonary artery, lower side is a pulmonary vein. Similar side in this way. Same to understood? Thereafter, the oxygenated blood left auricle. The oxygenated blood from left auricle to left ventricle comes into left ventricle. With the help of bicuspid valve. In that side, tricuspid valve. In that side, bicuspid valve. Stage number 4. What is the stage number 4? Then after 5, stage number 4 is oxygenated blood comes into the left auricle with the help of pulmonary vein. Then after, left auricle to left ventricle with the help of bicuspid valve. The oxygenated blood from left auricle to aorta. Left auricle to aorta. Move into the body upper side, left auricle to aorta. And lower side. Aorta goes into the complete body. Oxygenated blood goes into the complete body. Now revise it this times. It's a total 6 points. 3-1 is a deoxygenated. 3-1 is a oxygenated process. Now listen carefully. Number 1 stage, the deoxygenated blood comes into the with the help of superior vena cava, inferior vena cava comes into the right auricle to right ventricle with the help of tricuspid valve. Then after, right ventricle to lungs. Right ventricle to lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. Then after, blood comes into left auricle with the help of pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood. Then after, oxygenated blood left auricle to left ventricle with the help of bicuspid valve. Then after, left ventricle to aorta to complete body. Simple process. So that is a simple mechanism of blood flow. It's a line diagram of blood flow. First of all, number 1 stage, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. It's a deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Then after, goes into the right auricle. Right auricle to right ventricle with the help of tricuspid valve. Then after, right ventricle to pulmonary artery with the help of pulmonary valve. Pulmonary artery to left auricle with the help of pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Then after, left auricle to left ventricle with the help of bicuspid valve. Left ventricle to aorta, and from aorta to rest of body. It's a line diagram. It's a mechanical process of heart.